Well, this Valuemed presentation is just going to run you through what you get and buy one of our Valuemed budget single head medical stethoscopes. The packaging here I've got in front of you is our standard zip case pouching. It's generic pouch casing. It just gets it delivered to you. It's in parts. We'll run you through how to set it up and get the thing working. You get a nice generic insert which is multi-language because we sell these across Europe. You've got it in English, German, French, Italian and Spanish. You've got the certification that is applicable to the unit from the manufacturer printed on the back there. It's basically telling you what you get and how to put it together. It's not teaching you to use a stethoscope, so you are going to have some knowledge of how to use these or what you want to do with them when you buy them. Okay, out of the packet, what do you get? Okay, one single-sided chest piece, one sprung binaural. We call this a binaural or headset. This is a lightweight aluminium headset. It is nice and light, so it's not going to pull on your ears too much, but these ear tips are firm, white vinyl, and you'll see if I just turn this one's set up very nicely, but that is the ideal angle that you want to get on these headsets, not pointing directly at one another, but on around 15-degree slant each one of those, and that is the forward direction. So they go into your ears like that from reverse, because your ear canals point slightly forwards. So for comfort, if you can just set this binaural up so that you've got that 15-degree slant on each of these arms, it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. Now, to simply construct this, what you do is just take your split tubing and push it firmly right as far as it will go up onto the headset each side, and then just let it fall away, and you'll see that it's been twisted around in the case, so it's never going to be completely flat. But if you can just get it so it aligns nicely, you can then take your chest piece, which is a standard adult size chest piece with a simple vinyl diaphragm, and the tubing again pushes as far onto there as you can, right up to the bevel, and there you've got a fully constructed single head stethoscope. Now this is a standard 52 centimeter long piece of tubing. The auscultation quality, and by auscultation we mean the sound quality you get off these, is going to be good enough for doing simple examinations, doing blood pressure where you're hearing the pulse, where you're releasing the pressure on a cuff. For simple chest examinations, it's going to be fine. And for other simple medical and other purpose examinations, the sound quality is going to be pretty good. It's not going to be as good as a cardiology or a £200–300 stethoscope. The tubing hasn't got those qualities. It's not the same build quality. What do you expect for the price? Be realistic. This will do the job, but it's nothing fancy. It's just a simple, straightforward stethoscope which will allow you to do most of the things you expect it to do. These come in a range of colours. They're all manufactured by the same guys for us. We've been doing business with them for years. They are pretty robust. The soft points on these, just to watch when you're setting them up, this grip piece here is machined and set. If that loses its tension, nothing can be done, okay? If you overextend this unit, it's got a bit of springing, but it will break. You can break these, they're not foolproof. So if somebody grabs hold of this or pulls it, deforms it badly, then you're going to be looking at a new one rather than having to just bend it back in. So just be aware of that. The chest piece, again, this is a single head unit. There's no rotational option to listen with a bell here. The diaphragm is replaceable, but to be honest with you, the price, again, these aren't really viewed as serviceable in any shape or form. We'd replace these if they broke or wore out. But yes, this can come apart. It is a machined screw fitting. There are spare diaphragms available, but the cost of the diaphragms with delivery to you are greater than the replacement cost of the whole unit, because we do buy these in so many thousands from them each year. So there you go, tips to set up and get the best out of your very low cost single head stethoscopes, available now in this packaging by the thousand from the Valuemed website.